friends, thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we are looking at this elective maths WAEC 2025 for private candidate, January, February. This is question 1 from the compulsory parts. Let's look at how we can handle this. The operation, we have an operation here, is defined on the set of real numbers. This is the sign for real number by P operation Q, which is equals to P plus Q plus 1 divided by 7 times PQ. For all P, Q belongs to the set of real number, we are asked to find the inverse element. Then B, the value of M when M operation 3 is equals to M operation 5. First thing to do is to identify this topic is from which, this question rather is from which topic. Of course, this is from binary operation. Let's look at how we can solve this. Let's write down the solution. We are asked to find the inverse element of this operation. And the inverse element of this operation, it will be P inverse operation. For us to find the inverse element, we have to first of all find the identity element. Very important. So it will be P operation, the identity element must be equals to the identity element operation P, and it must be equals to P. Very important. Okay? So this is the identity element. We use the first letter here. Then we compare now P to P, Q to identity element. We substitute into the right hand side. So it will be P plus, anywhere we see Q, we put E. That's the identity element now. Plus 1 divided by 7 times P times the identity element. It must be equals to P. Let's find the identity element here. It will be the identity element plus 1 divided by P multiplied by the identity element. It will be P minus P, meaning we make the identity element the subject of the relation here. We can factor out the identity element. That will be the identity element plus 1, that's 1 plus 7 divided by 1 divided by 7 times P will be equals to 0. So we divide both sides by 1 plus 1 divided by 7P. We divide both sides 1 plus 7, 1 by 7P. 0 divided by anything will be 0. So the identity element is 0. So the inverse now will be the inverse of P now, operation P will be equals to the identity element. Very important. Okay. Let's move here to achieve that. Okay. We compare this now, the general equation, which is P plus Q plus 7 divided by P times Q. We compare this. Okay. So P inverse to P, then Q to P. It will now be P inverse plus, anywhere we see Q, we put P, will now be plus 1 divided by 7 times P. That's P times P, which is P squared, will be equals to the identity element, which is 0. So we find the inverse of P now. P inverse now will be equals to, let's call it minus P minus 1 divided by 7P squared. So this will be the P inverse, minus P minus 1 divided by 7P squared. So this will be the solution to A. The B partner say we are asked to find M when M operation 3 is equals to M operation 5. Let's look at how we can handle these B parts. B part is just by comparing. We relate M to P, then 3 to Q in that order, then we substitute. It means this is P and this is Q. Let's substitute into this operation, given that P operation Q is equals to this. So P to M and 3 to Q. Let's substitute. Anywhere we see P, we put M plus Q now will be 3 plus 1 divided by M times 3, which is times 3m now, will now be equals to, we compare the right hand side now, m to p, then 5 to q. This will now be, anywhere we see p now, we put m plus q now, which is 5 plus 1 divided by 5 times m. So our m is to find m. This will be m plus 3 plus 3m divided by 7 will be m plus 5 plus 5m divided by 7. Very important. Let's multiply through by 7 to clear the fraction. 7 times m, that's 7m, plus 7 times 3, that's 21, plus 7 times 3m divided by 7, that will be 3m, plus 7m, plus 35, then 5m divided by 7 times 7, that will be 5m. Then we collect those with m plus m, that's 10m, minus 7m, minus 5m, will be 35 minus 21. 10m minus 7m, that's 3m. Then that's 3m. 3m minus 8 minus 5, that will be minus 2m. Will now be equals to 37. That's 35 minus 21. Let's do it. 35 minus 21, that's 4. Then 1, 14. With the verb side by minus 2. Verb side by minus 2. M now will be equals to 14 divided by minus 2. That will be minus 7. So this will be the value of M. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video.